How to create WhatsApp username. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create WhatsApp username. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu that appears, you can just select settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, you can just tap on account option. And now here in this section, you can simply scroll down and then you can just tap on your username option. And now here, once you're inside this section, you can just tap on this option that says create username. So here, just tap on it. And after that, on the next page, here in the box, you can just type in your username, and here once you're done with it, you can just tap on save, and that's it. That's how you can create new username on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.